watching the two new Seoul museums, RAIM, Robot and AI Museum in northern Seoul. Let's go! Designed by a Turkish design company a few years ago, international competition. We can see the competition ideas in the screen. What's nice is that the build stuff is not that far from reality. The shapes are very organic, as you can see. And the Robot Museum and AI Museum, interesting facade. It looks like an egg almost after an interesting competition. It's kind of interesting that they are kind of so different. The inside here is like playground for kids and robots. And the special facade design is really dynamic design, organic, spherical form. Let's go! Exhibition is quite interesting, finally. Inside spaces, the way to go up and through the floors. Robots doing their things. You can play soccer, you can interact with a mega face, you can take the elevator, which is also like a robot kind of thing. And you can do some activities if you book them on time. The robots can do many things, as you know. Completely different mood finally. That's it of having a look at these two interesting museums, new museums in Seoul. Thank you.